Welcome to Marine Gurukul video series. In our commitment to keep you updated with the latest DG shipping circulars and guidelines, we present you this video to share with you Merchant Shipping Notice 04 of 2021 released today regarding the requirement of LCHS course for issuance of dangerous cargo endorsement. The information shared in this video is based on Merchant Shipping Notice 04 of 2021 dated 15th July 2021. The URL on which this notice can be accessed is there on the screens. The notice is also available on the page of the DG Shipping website. The Merchant Shipping Notice is regarding requirement of LCHS course for issuance of Certificate of Proficiency in Advanced Oil Tanker Cargo Operation, and this is the same as what we refer to as the management level DCE or advanced oil DCE. So they all mean the same in context of this particular merchant shipping notice. For issuance of certificate of proficiency in advanced oil tanker operations, that is the advanced oil DCE, merchant shipping STCW rules 2014 require completion of an approved advanced training for oil tanker cargo operations, that is the TESCO course, and completion of an approved full mission liquid cargo handling simulator course of 5 days, that is the LCHS course. So that means as far as the rules are required, MS rules are required, the requirement is to complete your advanced tanker safety course and also the LCHS to obtain advanced oil DCE. What was the necessity of this merchant shipping notice? It was the difficulty in getting the DC endorsement because of non-availability of LCHS course due to COVID restrictions. What are the relaxations or changes that are introduced by this merchant shipping notice 4 of 2021? As per this, LCHS course is temporarily to be treated as not mandatory for issuance of a certificate of proficiency in advanced training for oil tanker cargo operations. That means to get management level DCE, LCHS course is to be temporarily not treated as mandatory. So without LCHS course, you can get your DCE management level endorsement. In such cases, the endorsement so obtained will be issued for a period up to 31st December 2022. All seafarers who obtain this DCE for limited period need to complete their LCHS at the first available opportunity. And on completion of the LCHS course, the full term DCE of 5 years will be issued. So just to sum it up, as per Merchant Shipping Notice 4 of 2021, if you are waiting for a dangerous cargo endorsement for management level oil endorsement, you can apply for it without LCHS course. You shall get a short-term DCE valid up to 31st December 2022. Complete your LCHS as soon as possible, and then you can seek extension of your DCE. Hope you appreciate our effort of keeping you updated. If you like our video, please do subscribe to our channel for automatic notification for future releases. Do share this video with all the seafarers who may be in need of this information. Thank you very much for watching Marine Gurukul video series. Thank you very much.